We got a full body, upper focused workout. We're gonna be going non-stop, 10 minutes. Hoh Rainforest Olympic National Park. This place is truly wild. Siccas, ferns, giant 300-foot trees. There's bugs everywhere. There's animals everywhere. This is truly the wild. First one we're gonna be doing is close grip to wide grip push-ups. Oh wait, this is gonna be a burner. Get it? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Close grip push-up right here to wide grip. Woo! Close grip push-up to wide grip push-up. Let's get it. Close grip to wide grip. Close grip to wide grip. 30 seconds, and if you need to, you can always go on your knees. Close grip to wide grip. Let's get it. Close grip to wide grip. Close grip to wide grip. Almost there. Come on, 10 seconds. Close grip to wide grip. Here we go. So you're gonna be on your knees right here. Triceps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triceps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triceps, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze tight. Always squeezing the fist. Lat back crunches. 4, 5. Let's go. 30 seconds. 1, 2. You got to keep your elbows in tight. 4, 5. Then squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upper body. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. We got high plank on the left, squeezing right here, crunching in. A little bit of a lat crunch. That's all we're doing. Keeping the elbow in tight. Let's get it. 10 seconds. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Let's go. Oh yeah. Making a burn out here in Hoh Rain Forest. Let's go. 10 seconds. If this is too much, you can always go down on your forearms. 3, 2, 1. So we got squat chair hold, arms straight. We're doing circles going in. We got 30 seconds. And then we're gonna go side lateral. Whew. My shoulders are burning. I hope yours are too. Between the push-ups and everything, 10 minutes non-stop. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Here we go, side. So we're going out now. When you do this, I want you to squeeze your rear delts as tight as you can. You know, like to say, imagine you're holding 100-pound dumbbells. Let's go, 15 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So on these ones, I actually want you on your knees. We're going arms super, super wide. We're just gonna go chest, side to side. That's it. Chest sliders. So side to side. If you really, 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 really want to challenge yourself, you can go on your feet. But I want to focus on form, going side to side. Let's go. Look at the time, 30 seconds. If you need a break, come back, reset, come back down. Let's go. Making that chest burn. Remember, belly button to spine, core tight. Keep your booty tight, keep going. We got 15 seconds. Kind of a weird position here on the Rainforest. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our dip reaches. So right here in that crab position, remember, dip, come up a little bit, dip, up, up. Tricep dip, lock out, up. Focus on those dips. So remember, coming straight down, lock out those triceps, extend, extend. Dips, extend, extend. Dips, extend, extend. Tricep dips, lock out, extend, extend. Let's go, 20 seconds. Dips, extend, extend. Tricep dips, extend, extend. Tricep dips, extend, extend. Let's go. Tricep dips, extend, extend. One more. Extend, extend. Next we're going into our Supermans, getting dirty on the floors. Forest floor, here we go. So alternating up, up, right and left, up, up. Remember, squeezing the glutes, lower back, shoulders, the full back side. Let's go. Squeeze, squeeze. Making sure I don't hurt any of the plants. Precious, preserved rainforest. This place is absolutely amazing and so unique. 20 seconds, let's go. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Stay with me, come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We have our side plank. Now, I want you to put this over. We're just going biceps. Right here, squeeze. Keep this tight. Keep the elbow in. We're just working the biceps. 30 seconds each side. Imagine you have 100-pound dumbbells and you're squeezing those biceps nice and tight. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Let's get it. Come on. Bicep time. Squeeze. Let's go. Working it. Working it. You got this. Squeeze. Come on. Working the biceps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. In a sumo squat stance. Core tight. We're going rope pulls. Might look a little weird, but you want to imagine a rope and squeezing. So if you look at my back, how it's flexing, you're coming down. See the whole, working the whole chain, the spine, all the back muscles, squeezing tight. You got to really over exaggerate, squeeze all the muscles in your body. 30 seconds, let's go. Working it, working it, come on. Squeeze those back muscles. This is upper body day, come on. And then we're doing a full burpee surfer. We're doing a full push-up on those. 10 seconds to close out this 10-minute outdoor body upper focus workout. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So push up, surfer. Push up, surfer. Push up. Let's go, let's get it. Coming up. Coming up. Coming up, let's go. Coming up. Let's go. 20 seconds, stay with me. Guess the surfer will go this way. It doesn't matter. Just bring your hands up. Let's go. One more, stay with me, come on. Woo! That is time. That is your outdoor body upper focus here in Hoh Rain Forest. Thank you for joining me. Woo! Remember, do it 2 times, 3 times, make it a 20-30 minute workout. Mobility before, stretching after. Thank you for joining me for the outdoor body workout in Olympic National Park here in Hoh Rain Forest. I'll see you next time for the outdoor body workout. Let's go wild.